Hey, it's Nikki Leonti from Start Your Own Family Daycare, and welcome to another weekly workshop. So last week I spoke all about how to set up your own Facebook business page. So if you haven't checked that out, you can go and check that out. That's on this page. So you can go and have a look if you want to set up a business page. And in that training, I also told you the difference between your personal profile and a business page, and also a few little secret tweaks that you might not know about of how to really take advantage of that business page to really promote your business. So today, I am doing a fun workshop using one of my favorite free tools to edit and create amazing images for either social media platform for your business or for your website, or even images that you want to print off for families. You can create PDFs. You can do some amazing things that before only really graphic designers could do, but now you can do it at home and it is free, which is really cool. So before I go into that, I just want to let you know that this month inside the Family Daycare Academy, I have got a brand new training booklet. And in that booklet, I go through all of the different ways on how to use Facebook to promote your business. So how to promote your family daycare. So if you want to check that out, so I will put, oh my God, they're so loud. It is school holidays here, so it's a bit crazy. I will pop a link below in the comments if you want to find out any more information. So this month's training booklet is all about how to use Facebook for your family daycare business. And then next month in May, I'll be launching the next training booklet, which is the ultimate guide with all the checklists you need for your family daycare. So I'm really excited to be bringing all of this to you. And now we're going to go straight into our Canva training. So let me just swap this over. Okay, so have a look here. So this is Canva. So if you go to canva.com, you're going to have a look at Canva. Now, this is behind the scenes of my own Canva thing. So you can see all of the images that I create using Canva. But I want to do a little bit of a tour for you. Okay, so there are all of these incredible templates. So once you sign up for Canva, and you can just sign up using your Facebook login, you can get all sorts of things like a Twitter post. So this is the exact size you need for Twitter. You can have a square social media graphic, so just for Instagram or Facebook. You can have a Pinterest graphic. If you like doing things on Pinterest, you can do that. A Facebook post, a Facebook app, a Tumblr graphic, or an Instagram post. Okay, you've then also, oh my God, they're just crazy loud out there. You can also do documents. So as I mentioned before, you can do all sorts of different things, certificates, resumes, yearbooks. And then we've got blogging and ebooks. So there's all sorts of stuff you can do here. Marketing, social media headers, events, and then we've come to ads. So if you want to do a Facebook ad, this is the exact size you need for a Facebook ad. And I'm going to show you a few little secrets about once you actually select something that you want to do. So let's just do a Facebook post, because this is probably the most popular one that you might do. So you click on your Facebook post. It's the exact dimensions that you need for a great Facebook post. And then you've got all of these layouts, okay? So have a look at this. You can pick any of these layouts and you can change the text, add your own images, change the colors, do whatever you want to do. So let's do something really cute. Okay, I click this and then we can change the text here. And then we can do this. You can change the colors. And then you can change the colors of this as well. You can move some things here. And then we can also change the color of this. Really simple. And you can also add your own images or you can search for images. So one of the problems that we face with promoting our business is that we cannot put the children from our service, we cannot put their faces into any promotional materials, right? Now, if we don't have children of our own, we can't use any child that we don't have any kind of children that are related available for our promotion. You can come straight to Canva and they have a whole range of images. Okay. Look, that's actually not great. Let's do this one. Okay, so you can use this image here, and then we can move this up and then do something like this, and use other images, and these are only $1 each. Actually, this one's free, so it won't even cost any money. We could probably get rid of that. So you can do your own things with some of these images. You can do all sorts of stuff. So you can, if you are looking to get some images of children to use in promotion, Facebook posts, your website, things like that, then definitely go and check this out. Just to give you an idea, when I first started my business, building websites and doing all of that kind of marketing things, buying images would cost me between $40 to $100 each, which is so expensive and something that a lot of people just cannot afford to be buying heaps and heaps of images. But now these are only $1 each or free, which is amazing. Okay, so then you can also pick different elements. You can add in some icons. So if you want to find some social media icons or just general like cool things, I don't know, you might want to put like a tick that could go over this kid's face. No, but let's just put this tick here. And you can, again, change the color of this particular tick. Not every tick you can change the color of, but this one you can. You can find pictures of fruit, lipstick, bowling pins, stars, light bulbs, pretty much anything you're looking for, you can find it here, which is really cool. Now, once you have your design, which looks ridiculous, by the way, but that's okay, you can download. Okay, so then there's a few different options. You can download it as a JPEG, a PNG, or a PDF, or an animated GIF. This is not really, they haven't perfected this just yet, so it doesn't really work. But a PNG file is perfect. So you download it, it goes straight to your computer, and then you just post it into Facebook. Or you can create images that you can post onto your website, or you can create beautiful parent handbooks in Canva, which would be great, a great idea. So many cool options for you to do with Canva. So I hope you enjoyed this little training session. Let me just click on this. Here we go. I'm back here. So yeah, there are so many really cool options with Canva. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. But to be honest, I really think you just need to go sign up for your free account and just go and have a play around. You cannot break it. Not everyone's going to see your stuff or anything like that, but just go and have a play. It's actually really fun. And you can do it on your phone. There is the app, the Canva app, that looks like this. So you can actually do it on your phone and create some really cool images. Again, post them directly to your Facebook or website from your phone as well. So you don't even have to have a computer. You don't have to have a Mac. You don't have to be super creative or have any kind of technical experience. It's a really drag and drop situation. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next week for our next weekly workshop. Now, if you want to check out the Family Daycare Academy, our monthly subscription, which gives you access to my monthly training booklet, you can click on the links below. I'll pop these as soon as we've finished live. And if you have any questions, let me know either in the comments or send me a message. All right. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye.